Have you been searching for the perfect compact SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Ford Edge Titanium in agate black with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 50,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7677.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.